and document library. What do we do within the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop? So I want to make sure that everybody understands exactly what we do within the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop. So I put together this little cheat sheet, little cheat video that kind of explains what goes on. So the first thing we do at the start of the workshop is we get all of the staff back at the agent's office signed on to the training webinar. The enrollment includes 2 live workshop attendees and webinar training access for the remaining staff. So you could have 10 staff, 20 staff, 30 staff. They're all going to have access to the webinar back at the agency. Next, we overview what we'll accomplish during the 2 days of the workshop. And here's what we accomplished, these 7 things. We create a weekly task and process calendar and block off time for each of the 12 green time tasks. We set up the 18 technology and automation tools necessary to maximize the best practices and double or triple the current sales number in the agency. We set up the first 8 core marketing and prospecting campaigns that every agency should have in place. The evening of the first day, the agents that need additional help, we help them set up and implement those processes that we taught them in the workshop from 7 p.m. till 10 p.m. We meet in the hotel lobby and we go over and make sure, like I said, that if they need help, that we're there to help them. The morning of the second day, a guest attorney discusses how to set up trust and estate plans, because building all this stuff means nothing if you can't protect it. Then we train and role play the 12 green time best practices tasks and processes. Finally, we have our Q&A, and if there's any additional things that we need to set up, we use that time for that as well. And that's the end of the workshop. What do we teach the agency leader? Well, first and foremost, we block off the first hour of the workday for spot checking at least one agency process. If you don't spot check, things are not going to stick. So not only are we going to teach you the process, we're going to teach you how to spot check the process. Then once a week, you need to conduct a production review meeting, a production forecast meeting. So we teach you that. For everyone in the agency, we create a task calendar. We designate one specific hour of the day to learn, train, and perform the 12 green time tasks. For everyone, we set up the 18 technology or automation tools that need to be in place. We set up the first day marketing campaigns. We start implementing the 12 green time tasks. So what are the 12 green time tasks? Production forecast, the training and role play. Teach you about payments, endorsements, and processes related to payments and endorsements and accounting so that you can maximize those situations. The claims process, emergency contact process, business referral partner process, birthday, new customer process, policy review process, cancellation termination process, quoting, rating, and binding, how to really maximize the quoting and rating and binding, marketing and prospecting. And then, of course, we talk about rate increases and remarketing. So we really make sure that over these 2 days, we've implemented all the technology, all the tools. We've looked at the 12 major core green time. Green time means money-making time. The 12 green time tasks that it really takes to work your work week, to make sure that they're in your work week. And then we go from there. So we really want to make sure you're maximizing your agency. How do you locate prices, dates, and locations about the Fix My Insurance Agency workshop? Real simple. Go to www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. Again, that's www.fixmyinsuranceenagency.com. If you're serious about changing the culture, about growing, doubling, or tripling the growth of your agency, you should attend a Fix My Insurance Agency workshop. This is Billy Williams. Appreciate you guys being here. Thanks.